Ever since that pizza guy in Florida paid 10,000 bitcoins for 2 large pizzas back in 2010, the world has been buzzing about this digital gold. Maybe you've heard whispers of its potential, or maybe you're curious about this new asset class. Either way, you've landed on the right question. Can you buy Bitcoin and then send it to someone else using Kraken? The short answer? Absolutely. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to not only buy Bitcoin but also send it to any other Bitcoin wallet address. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. Understanding Bitcoin basics. Imagine a giant digital ledger, constantly being updated and recording every Bitcoin transaction ever made. That, in essence, is the magic behind Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin is a unique unit of value on this ledger, and ownership is transferred by sending it from one address to another. There's no physical coin, just a secure way to track ownership in the digital world. Why use Kraken? Now, there are a few different ways to buy Bitcoin. You could use a peer-to-peer marketplace, but these can be a bit cumbersome and might not offer the best rates. Alternatively, there are ATMs that dispense Bitcoin, but their availability is limited, and fees can be high. This is where cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken come in. They offer a safe and convenient platform to buy and sell Bitcoin, along with other cryptocurrencies. Kraken is known for its robust security features, competitive fees, and a wide variety of payment methods. Alright, let's buy some Bitcoin. Assuming you're sold on Kraken, and why wouldn't you be? Here's a quick rundown of the process. Create an account, head over to Kraken's website and sign up for a free account. The process is pretty straightforward, and you'll need to provide some basic information for verification purposes. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit some funds to buy Bitcoin. Kraken offers a variety of deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, depending on your location, and even ACH transfers for U.S. residents. Buy Bitcoin. Now comes the fun part. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section on Kraken and select Bitcoin, BTC, as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You'll be able to choose between two interfaces, Buy Crypto and Trade. Buy Crypto. This is a simpler option, ideal for beginners. You'll enter the amount of fiat currency, like USD or Euro, you want to spend, and Kraken will automatically buy Bitcoin at the current market rate. Keep in mind that this method typically comes with slightly higher fees. Trade. This interface gives you more control over your purchase. You can set specific buy orders based on your desired price point. This option is better suited for more experienced users who are comfortable navigating order books and market fluctuations. Sending your Bitcoin. Once you've successfully purchased Bitcoin, it will be deposited into your Kraken wallet. From there, you can easily send it to any other Bitcoin wallet address. Just navigate to the Withdraw section, select Bitcoin, enter the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount you want to send. Kraken will process the transaction, and the Bitcoin will be on its way. Security matters. Before we wrap things up, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is still a relatively new asset class, and security is paramount. Here are some additional tips to keep your Bitcoin safe. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your Kraken account, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Use a strong password. This might seem obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Choose a complex password that you don't use for any other online accounts. Consider a hardware wallet. For larger Bitcoin holdings, consider storing them offline in a hardware wallet. This provides an extra layer of protection against online attacks. So, there you have it. With Kraken, you can easily buy Bitcoin and send it to anyone, all within a secure and user-friendly platform. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also ever-evolving. Do your own research, stay informed, and happy trading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.